Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much as we build this channel up, reviewing properties here and around the world each week. And today we're in Atlanta, Georgia. We are looking at $11 million for this mansion. Yes, indeed. Doesn't it look good? A mansion in Atlanta looking so great. And the last Atlanta video I did really well. Thank you for your support. And let's take a look around this 5-acre property. With a Kessler designer here. Kessler designing it. Beautiful job in the interior. Let's take a look. And what do we see at the front? We see a reproduction of a classique. Yes, it looks all like Europe, doesn't it? A European look. Grass out front, box hedges, and more. It's a beauty in Atlanta. And one of the most expensive houses on the market in the entire state of Georgia. Look at the rooftop. Lots of pitch ceilings here. Landscaping, lush gardens, and more. Look at the stone frontage, all the detail. It looks like you've arrived in Europe and you're ready to go inside a European mansion, and that's exactly what it is. Inside this European mansion with this incredible chandelier. Look how tall it is, with gold and glass, and then, or crystal, I should say. Let's get that right. Inside the dining room, outstanding furnishings, an amazing fireplace. Look at the detail here. Gold encrusted mirror, and then detail and fretwork around the top of the ceiling with wallpaper to boot as well. So incredible detail. And look at this for a doorway. I mean, it is a mansion. It really is. Look at this original architecture of yesteryear into this this light gray, going into making this room pop absolutely in timber. Isn't it exceptional? The staircase as well, with the black and white detailed carpets there as well. Very, very impressive. It is so wonderful to show a house like this, and it is incredible, Atlanta, Georgia, to have a house like this in your state. A beautiful, stunning home. Look at the fireplace in timber, a beautiful mahogany look, and all the detail around the borders at the top, and the wood paneling is just exceptional as well. Artificial timber in the fireplace with the gas fed, and of course this incredible looking crushed velvet sofa. Very, very beautiful indeed. Into the sitting room, we see another chandelier with gold. We see wood paneled ceiling with painted in white, and then we see an incredible fireplace with lots of detail, some masonry work, and some timber detail as well. Then a golden crest up the top. Would have been a family crest in the old days. French doors to the right, an amazing set of lamps, beautiful in gold, and lampshades as well in white. Then all these eggs here, ornaments, lots of different eggs, and this wonderful, wonderful column here as you come into the door with the lovely detail in timber as well. Isn't it quite striking? It is a wonderful, wonderful home. Into the kitchen, beautiful as well. Just an exceptional example. Look at that, folks. Isn't that beautiful? A massive island in the middle, stone on top, a wonderful gray vein which runs through the splashback of this double-barreled gas oven, and just extremely beautiful. Wood paneling in the ceiling, amazing light fitting, and a lovely feature at the back there as well. Beautiful home, 11 million US dollars, 8-bedroom, 13 glorious bathrooms, just magnificent indeed. There's the cooker close up, double-barreled wolf oven, very nice. Looks like there's a butler's pantry down the side, lots of lovely paneling. Oh yes, another view of it there. Look at this stone fireplace in the back, lovely masonry work. Wood paneling, crisscross beams in the ceiling, up that incredible staircase in black and white, and a wonderful archway as well. Timber floors throughout. Look at this. It is exceptional. Atlanta, be proud. This is your home. This is your state and your home, your city. And look at these beams here in a gable roof, and a wonderful style there. French doors along, a whole bank of them. Then a laundry room. Is it a laundry room or is it a butler's? We've got an oven in here. So we've got cooking, we've got cleaning, and we've got an oven. So it feels like a double up. Yes, it's a butler's come laundry with an amazing arched window, plantation shutters. Home is where Dad can say anything he likes because nobody listens, is the plaque there on the left. Back into another sitting room, and look at this wonderful masonry work here. Isn't it beautiful? This lovely light fitting here, covered wire too and fabric, and then ornate ceiling, and just a beautiful example of a fireplace with this inset stone, brick at the back, and then wonderful masonry and timber work around as well. Into a bathroom and shower room. Looks like could be the ensuite actually, with this rather nice gold here and stone at the back, and we can see we're entering in, and then it opens up, sunken bath, arched window again to match him with the style of this European classic, plantation shutters, separate WC, and more. Look at the light fitting as well, beautiful. Into one of the bedrooms. It's more like a suite because you've got this whole lounge area, very, very nice. Up in the dormer rooms, the dormer with a window seat with the dormer there, and this circular window looking rather classique. And I love this Art Deco light fitting here too in a crystal style. Into the servicing bathroom, loving the green vase as well, these side lights, and a lovely mirror in gold framed as well. So just a lovely example. The wallpaper is divine too, just a beautiful design there. And we see double sinks here into the ensuite, walking into the bathroom there too. This amazing black cabinet, a reproduction, beautiful indeed, plantation shutters on the left, and into another area of house cleaning and wash area. Lots of towels in here, an ironing room, and one of those circular windows, as well as a lot of bank of cupboards there too. Into the wine cellar. Isn't this special? Timber doors in, lovely brick archway through to the wine, and a lovely tasting table there too. A whole container full of corks. There's been a lot of action down here. Look at the collection. No wonder their house is worth $11 million. Look at their wine collection. It is like a shop in there. And they've set it up like France, is it? Is that the name on these things? Yes, French names and so forth. Naming the wines, I would say, from around the world. These wicker baskets as well here. And it looks like they're boxing it. It almost looks like they're selling this stuff. Maybe they own a wine company. Who knows? Down in the bar area, looking fabulous. Crystal glasses, control for the air conditioning. Lovely columns here on either side. Timber, beautiful bar there, wrapping around in a U. And then into the theater. Home theater, looking lovely, very palatial in the way of the sofa, and lovely carpeting throughout there. We've got the stag heads to throw on in the games room, and a lovely area here all the way through to a gym. And it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Pool table, billiards, whatever you want to call it. Timber floors, stag head fireplace with the white brick, subway brick there, or subway style. And then we've got copper roofs here on these al fresco areas, we're going to call them today. I think I'm going to call them gazebos. Depends what these are called officially in this setting. And then the pool is sending water over the edge, and it is lovely. We've got a bit of the US style, a bit of Europe coming into the house design as well. Lovely tree-lined area. Amazing seating outside. TV on the fireplace there outside. Gable roof here. Lovely arched window with a lovely design in it. Plantation shutters, and another kitchen area as well. So a huge expansive set of houses here on this wonderful estate. And if you put this anywhere else like Beverly Hills, you can just put that price up significantly. But $11 million, looking good. Love the red pinstripes here. And it's just beautiful red brick outside. The arches are lovely as well. It is an incredible estate. Tennis courts, look at how much you've got to get for your money. You're getting a lot here. Of course, it is $11 million, but it's a beauty. Excellent entrance as well. High fence with security gate. Remember, we saw 13 bathrooms. Look at the car parking. Double. What's that? 8 double garages, is it? 8 double garages. 16 parking spaces. Beautiful in the way of the landscaping and the detail of the groundsman. All freshly cut for the photos. Lovely rooftops. The guest house here we saw. The outside home areas. There's a pool room there and so forth. Sunken garden. and more. It's simply amazing. What an impressive home. There's all the bank of parking there for all the collectible cars, and even the chimney outside near the barbecue area. Pool's looking good. Jacuzzi as well. It is simply wonderful. It's going to ask us, you interested in touring this home? Well, we just have, but we'd love to. What a fantastic place. What a fantastic home. Just seeing if we've missed anything here. William Baker is listed as the architect, and what a beautiful job they have done. And built by Palmer Construction. A wonderful example. $11 million. Where are we? Of course, we're on 3500 Riverley Road, Northwest Atlanta, Georgia. And postcode, we are GA30327. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification. And we'll catch you on the next video. But I enjoyed that. Hope you did too, Atlanta. Be proud of your homes. This is a beauty. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.